Get rid of your old baggage because today we're upgrading our luggage with the sleek and durable luggage set from BEOW. Inside the box you have one giant suitcase, filled with your whole set. And the suitcase has a 20% expandable zipper to help fit extra luggage. The BEOW luggage set is made from extra strong ABS material, making it lightweight and extremely durable. It also has a textured finish to prevent from scratching, keeping your luggage set looking good. The bags all come complete with rugged handles that are squishy on the inside. This gives you a good grip and keeps your hand feeling good. It has a Secure Tsa Lock. The side-mounted Tsa Lock provides you with safety and security. You can lock your zippers into place, making it so only you or a TSA agent can get in while traveling. It has 4 spinner wheels that rotate 360 degrees. This allows you to go effortlessly in any direction. The double wheel design is more durable and will be less likely to have a tip over. It also has a sturdy aluminum 3-step telescoping handle, making it easy to roll around and travel with ease. Don't believe me? Just look at these photos of me traveling with my new luggage. They're clearly real and not edited. Before I had this luggage set, I had plenty of issues traveling. That's because my old bags were outdated. For instance, they only had 2 wheels, so if you didn't distribute the weight right, it'd cause them to tip over like a fat cow. But this bag has 4 wheels and looks like a luxury car. You'll be tempted to ride it around, but trust me, it's just a really cool looking suitcase. Much like a Russian Matryoshka doll, when you unzip this case, you'll be finding its smaller lookalikes. I forgot I got the 4-piece, and I was truly surprised when I opened up the final piece.
Wow!
Inside the cases, they have a zipper pocket flap and a clothes strap to keep you organized and help keep your belongings in place. This luggage set is durable, it looks great, it helps keep you organized, and it allows you to focus on the fun part of traveling without being held back by your baggage. The 4 different sized bags give you tons of different options, and they're perfect for any situation. If you'd like to get your own luggage set from BEOW, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go plan a trip and finally leave the farm. Yeah, that's right. Those photos were fake. See ya.